nvidia's upcoming RTX 4060 Ti and 4060 have been tested, and according to the latest leaks, it might be faster than an RTX 3080 graphics card. In today's video guys, we'll cover everything you need to know about nvidia's upcoming mainstream GPUs, such as release date, pricing, performance and specifications. And if you're excited to find out how these new GPUs will perform, make sure to subscribe so you stay updated and don't miss my upcoming RTX 4060 review. So let's jump right into the content and let's start with pricing. So according to various leaks, Nvidia is positioning the 4060 Ti and the 4060 right in the middle, around $300 to $500, similar to current gen GPUs. However, this time pricing should hopefully stay within MSRP. And there are a few key reasons for this. Number one, Ethereum is soon leaving POW or proof of work, which means that miners, they won't be able to use their graphics cards to support the blockchain any longer. And so the demand for GPUs should be vastly reduced for that reason. Also add to the fact that there will be a flood of used GPUs from miners hitting the market, and that will also reduce the demand for these new GPUs even further. The chip shortage is unfortunately still an ongoing issue, but things are still looking a whole lot brighter now compared to what it looked like during the RTX 30 series launch 2 years ago. Let's have a look at the rumored specifications. The RTX 4060 Ti is said to utilize the AD104-180-A1 GPU with 6144 FP32 cores or 48 SMs. The graphics card is said to feature 10GB of G6 memory at a 160-bit bus interface. The card is rumored to have a TBP of around 280 watt, and the GPU is expected to run at a core clock speed of around 2.6 GHz. Moving on to the non-Ti model. This graphics card is expected to utilize the AD106 GPU with 3968 FP32 cores or 31 SMs. The graphics card is expected to have 8 gigs of G6 memory and a 138-bit bus interface. The 4060 is expected to have a clock speed of 2.7 GHz and a TBP between 230 to 240 watts. And based on the specifications, we're seeing almost 30% increase in core count for the 4060 Ti and almost 15% increase for the 4060. Now what's interesting here is that the RTX 4060 Ti is getting 2 GB more of capacity but lower bandwidth, while the 4060 gets 4 GB memory reduction. The new GPUs also sees a rather big increase in total power, between 70 to 80 watts for the Ti model and 40 watt increase for the 4060 compared to previous gen cards. Now, if these rumors turn out to be accurate, the 4060 will actually consume more power than an RTX 3070, which is pretty interesting to say the least. But what about the possible performance? Well, based on the specifications, WCCF Tech has put together this chart and is showing the possible performance based on the leaked rumors. Now, based on these figures, the 4060 Ti and the 4060 would end up around 45 to 50% faster than their predecessors, the 3060 Ti and the 3060. And this might be unfortunately a little bit too good to be true. In fact, a more reasonable performance increase would be about 15 to 30%, like we saw with previous gen RTX 3060. In terms of release date, if history has any indication, we should expect these GPUs to enter the market sometimes around January or February, but Nvidia might release the Ti model before the end of the year. The RTX 3060 dropped on February 25th, while the Ti variant came out on December 2nd. Nevertheless, there is a great chance Nvidia will give us a possible roadmap and a release date at the GDC event scheduled on September 20th. In the meantime guys, check out either of these two videos and I will catch you guys in the next video.